Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making homemade pizza dough. Here we go. Now first we're going to weigh out 440 grams or 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add in our sugar, salt, and yeast. Then we're going to add in our warm water, about 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to mix that up until it forms a shaggy dough. Then we're going to turn that out on a floured surface and knead that until it's nice and elastic. We're going to form that into a nice smooth ball. We're going to put that in an oiled bowl and cover it with plastic wrap and put it in a draft-free place for about 90 minutes. Once it's doubled in size, we're going to turn it out on a floured surface, punch it down, and form it into another nice smooth ball. If we're not going to use that right away, we're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and store it in the fridge or the freezer until we want to use it. So there you have it, homemade pizza dough. Enjoy. Okay, there is one error in this recipe. You should whisk together your flour, yeast, sugar, and salt before adding the water. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.